There's still hot sauce on me. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
God. Oh, I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna get a rash. Wingstop did the unexpected by turning their chicken wings into chicken sandwiches, so it's time for us to do the expected and turn their sandwich into the fanciest version of itself. With our highly skilled Michelin-starred chef Lily Cousins joining me in the kitchen,
I'm a piece of trash.
we're gonna construct the most deluxe chicken sandwich we possibly can.
I can hear my teeth.
Will we get lost in the extra fancy sauce?
Dude, I lost the spoons. I can't see anymore. I don't know when that happened.
Let's find out.
I watched a lot of Jamie Oliver growing up. He was a horny cook.
A horny cook?
Lily, break out them Wingstop sandwiches.
I'm ready for some sandwiches.
It is 95 degrees in the Nissan Altima, and
It's
it
so
is
hot.
muggy.
I don't know why I'm wearing a coat, but I committed.
I was gonna say, but you dressed up like you're going to like a fancy business dinner right
I like
now.
to look like I'm from New York.
We got 3 different flavors of the Wingstop chicken sandwich right here. We got lemon pepper. What did you draw? You got lemon pepper
I
too?
got lemon pepper too.
Heck yeah, wait, cheers it up. I haven't had one of these in a minute. The bun's kind of dense. Oh God,
It's good.
that's so good.
It's a juicy sandwich.
It just gushes with ooze.
It's oily. It's
I'm gonna
juicy.
even juice it out.
I mean, it's dripping.
Yeah, wait, I'm getting
It's
it.
dripping.
There it is. Look at oh! I love that. Lube up the car so I can't grip the steering wheel on the way home. The sauce soaks through the chicken, which I like. I like a good soggy fried food.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to be that red? Is that natural?
I think there's like food coloring.
I have nothing but love for Wingstop. To me, the bone-in wings, that's where it's at. Mm-hmm. You get to make eye contact with the people across from you as you're just throating a wing.
Throating a wing.
And I like that. Give me some ranch. Ranch it up. Ranch on mango habanero is not the move. There's so much ranch. We got so much ranch. Stop, don't spill ranch in my car. The mango habanero is maybe my favorite sandwich they have at Wingstop. And my favorite
Have you
wing
tried
flavor.
all the Wingstop sandwiches?
I haven't tried all the sandwiches. I've tried all the wing flavors though, for sure.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Cajun underrated, I'll tell you what. Oh, it's just wet sugar, not the ranch fudge.
It's sticking to my tooth.
Okay, hold on. That's the money bite, baby.
I like to enjoy chicken sandwiches like this.
Lily's taking a nap right now. I think we gotta put actual mango in the sauce for this. I wanna go like heavy on the fruit, balance it with a ton of spice, ton of habanero, ton of acid. For the chicken, every time we've done this, we've gotten too fancy with it. We tried to use some weird exotic bird. I just wanna get some damn good chicken, make some damn good buns, make a damn good chicken sandwich out of it.
Let's do it.
Let's go, man.
Cheers.
All right, I'm gonna fall asleep. Yep. Yeah, I got electric seats.
Wait, why is
I kinda ball like that,
the only yours electric?
because I'm a baller. Lily, do you believe that time is a flat circle and everything we've ever done we're just gonna do again?
That's too hard
Do you believe in predestination? Determinism.
I don't know.
Curses.
What's curses?
What's curses, master? What do you know? Like a curse. What I'm saying is, every single time we've tried to do a fried chicken sandwich on fancy fast food, it has been like the worst thing we've ever made. We did it with a fancy Chick-fil-A where I tried to use meat glue, transglutaminase to fuse 2 chicken breasts together.
Gross.
Yeah, that failed. That was bad. And then we really messed up with Link when we tried to make the Popeyes chicken sandwich with the kadayif wrapped goose breast. I'm kind of determined to make an actually good fancy chicken sandwich this time.
Yeah.
Right, by not screwing it up.
I think it's gonna work this time.
Why do you think it's gonna work? If
'Cause I'm
history,
here.
you
Yeah.
are like kind of unequivocally the best cook in this kitchen. You right now are gonna make a kummelveck roll. Why are you laughing at kummelveck? I'm not gonna say kummelveck my pants. So kummelveck,
Ew.
if you have heard of the sandwich beef on weck, so Wingstop, obviously they make buffalo wings. That's from Buffalo, New York. The other greatest regional food from Buffalo, New York, it is a roast beef sandwich on a kummelveck roll, which has caraway and salt on top. Really delicious. But since the sandwich is called beef on weck, we're making a beef kummelveck roll with bone broth and Wagyu beef tallow.
Yum. That sounds good.
Heck yeah.
Wait, Josh, look at this bone broth.
Yeah, that's bone broth. Why are you
Sporks-
talking like that?
Sporks gave this to us. It's epic bone broth, and they recommended it. And you can go on spork.com to check out all their fun recommendations.
Are you saying sport?
Sporks.
Sports.com.
Sports.
Sports.com for all the best recommendations for bone broth. All right, so you're gonna start blooming yeast and stuff. We got
Yes.
some fancy olive oil, Wagyu beef tallow. I'm gonna get going on our first. Get the fudge out of Get out of here. I'm gonna start working on our first sauce right now. We're doing the mango habanero,
Yum.
which
was a revelation in Wingstop because they copied it directly from Buffalo Wild Wings. Buffalo Wild Wings had mango habanero first, Wingstop never did, and then Wingstop added 3 new sauces. Conveniently, mango habanero was one of them because it's maybe the best sauce to put on wings.
Did they invent mango habanero? I feel like that's like...
Yes, Buffalo Wild Wings invented the habanero chile. It was actually been around since ancient Maya times.
Oh.
But yeah, Buffalo Wild Wings is actually, when was the first one? It was like 2700 BCE, Buffalo Wild Wings. All right, we're just gonna add a little bit of mango in there. We have a bunch of mango juice as well, because I don't want too much of the flesh, because it's gonna make the sauce too thick. We're gonna strain it anyways, but I still don't want like that much liquid going in there. And then this is passion fruit pulp. I'm thinking like fruity.
Can I try it?
Sour. Is this gonna go well? I don't know. That was pretty solid. Demerara sugar. Very fancy because it's unrefined, just like me. I'm unrefined, and I like to think of myself as very fancy. We're just gonna dump, I mean, it's gonna be a lot of sugar.
No one said
It's gotta be a lot
healthy.
of sugar. No, not at all. If you think about like the mango habanero, it's basically like a Panda Express orange chicken style, right? It's 90% sugar and then a lot of acid and salt and heat to cut that. We're gonna go a little bit of saffron, because again, fancy and expansive, but I think it's gonna cut through it really well. And then habanero, okay. We gotta try it.
No.
Lily, I'm gonna school you in cooking.
No.
I know you went to cooking school. You worked
I
in
know
a
what
big
you're
bad
gonna
restaurant.
say. I feel like I know what you're gonna
What, say then.
That all peppers are like different spiciness levels, and it's gonna determine like how much you put in there.
No, I was gonna say that I
Okay,
can't
never
grow
mind.
facial hair, and if I eat a bunch of spicy food, I was told that I'll finally be able to grow a beard. This is a preternaturally spicy habanero.
It's sweet.
Okay, never mind. Lily's just a hardo over here. Her big old manly beard.
Oh no, it's cooking.
It's kicking out, yeah. I think we should only go one. I think we should like, bro, that was in your mouth.
You know what? It's fine. We all share each other's food.
Gotta balance the acid with the salt.
I watched a lot of Jamie Oliver growing up. He was a horny cook.
A horny cook?
Jamie Oliver, he talked about food and the language of sensuality a whole lot. All right.
Smells good.
Smells nice. We also got this mango vinegar right here. I have no idea what this is. Is this just mango juice and vinegar?
I feel
You
like
wanna
that's
rip shots?
the selfie. Yeah, let's do it.
Shot? Here, you got 2 shot glasses. YouTube, if we can't drink alcohol on the show, we're gonna just start ripping shots of vinegar, which is arguably worse.
People do apple cider vinegar shots in the morning.
Yeah, but like
be
Gwyneth
that.
Paltrow ass people. Do you do any weird Gwyneth Paltrow ass things? Cheers.
I eat goop.
This should just be the wing sauce.
That's good.
Good. Yeah, well, why are
Why
we doing
are
all
we
this?
making this?
We are going to strain this out. It's looking a little thick right now. There you go. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Push
bread is
some of
looking
that
good.
through. Brad's looking good.
Yeah,
One more fancy ingredient going into the sauce.
I'm so excited.
Can I just say, no, I'd like to build this up a little bit.
Okay.
I hate that we're doing this. I hate that we have this thing under here. This was Nicole's call, and she straight asked me, she was like, can I do this? And I like to throw people a bone sometimes, because normally I'd like to be like, no, if we're gonna do tequila, we should like support like a good Mexican-owned company, but Nicole's a monster. And she wanted to get, and she chose to give our company's money to this person, and here we go.
Woo, Kendall Jenner.
Yeah, Kendall Jenner. Somebody really needed the support right now.
She needs
You
more
know,
money.
She needs more money, so we got her 818 tequila. 818 is the area code for the Valley, which is, I don't know, known for what, strip malls? Yeah, Nicole hates the Valley. I love it. I don't like to support the Kardashians, but here we go. How do you open it?
Okay.
I hate this thing.
Just pull.
It's shaped like an 8. I don't know. This looks
I
like.
mean, it's cute.
What do you mean it's cute?
It's so
It's
cute.
just it's an 8. It looks like an ampersand. This looks like a sign you'd get at a Hobby Lobby.
I
It's
love
just
it.
like-
I want to make it a vase and put it in
There we go.
more.
God, okay, fine.
Nice.
It is. You want to take it home?
Kendall Jenner, are you calling me
Don't
down
die
there?
before that. Kendall, come on the show.
Come on.
We love
Kendall
you.
Jenner.
No. Let the record show Lily is on the phone with Kendall Jenner. She dropped her phone and Kendall called her and said, wow, Lily, you're such a spectacular cook. I'd love for you to cater my, how old is she, 15 or my sweet 16?
No.
I don't know.
You're gonna get sued by the momager.
How'd that Kendall Jenner call taste?
It tastes great.
Is it actually though?
Yeah.
It's actually a good product.
It was, yeah, the
Alright.
phone call was good.
She just finds for her phone calls, for artisanally produced phone calls made from the Maguey agave plant. Like they just find somebody who already makes those phone calls and
Oh.
they just slap their label on it.
Yeah,
so like, yeah, it's
100%.
might as well be.
Yeah.
Anyways, so we got the Kummelveck filled with all the actual beef, which again is not the actual technique for it. You wanna start measuring that out?
Yes.
We're gonna try and make this pretty normal. We're also making 3 different sandwiches because Wingstop, I mean, the whole point, I go there, I'm getting like, once I ate 50 wings by myself when I was 12.
That's a lot of wings.
Thank you. And they used to do 25-cent wing Wednesdays.
Yeah.
And so, you're a 12-year-old kid, you had an extra 12 bucks in your pocket, you get 50 wings another time in your life. And you get 4 different flavors of that.
Yep.
The point of Wingstop, so it's fun to try all the different flavors. So we're going mango habanero, we're gonna do a classic buffalo, and then we're doing the lemon pepper.
Did you know that on average, humans consume 100,000 wings in their lifetime?
Yeah. I'm gonna dump the rest of the butter in there, screw it. Sweet, sour. Okay, what do we do?
Just roll it.
You just gotta, should you close your eyes and bite your bottom lip?
Wait.
Is that part of the technique? Does it work? Hold on. Oh, I feel it. Feels nice, man. Now, why are you going with pure egg white instead of like a normal?
I don't know.
Trevor told us to. The answer is Trevor told us to. Now, check this out. Pure egg white is made up of 78% protein, 22% water. And so that way, we're not gonna get the fat on there, which is gonna insulate moisture. And so this is gonna cause a more crispier crust, which is signature to the Kummelweck roll, which though popularized in Buffalo, New York, was invented outside the Black Forest in Germany. Does that sound legit enough? So caraway, it's one of the spices that you typically find in rye bread, and also the spice that you get on top of a beef on weck sandwich. Really fantastic. Shout out to Buffalo, New York. I know the city of Rochester doesn't like me, and also St. Louis and Spokane. Reno, Nevada seems to have a love-hate relationship with me. I've done nothing to slight Buffalo yet. Josh Allen just does not have it in him to win a Super Bowl. He's not your guy. You're gonna need to go through another 8-year rebuilding phase right now. You're just really kidding yourself if you think you can take it all the way.
Is that a sports thing?
Yeah.
Sports.com. So we are gonna wrap these up. We're gonna let them proof, and then we're gonna bake them off.
That's what I was gonna say. Can't I stop eating these garlic chips?
I know, my breath is gonna smell really good after this.
They're great. I feel like Charlie Kelly eating paint right now. They're so good, Hands up. So we're gonna start making our chicken. This is the chicken that we're determined to not screw up. Before in the past, we made chicken nuggets. We used the black chicken, what's called silky chicken. But we did it because we want to show you interesting things. What we decided to do now is just to get the best chicken in the market. This is called Jidori chicken. So this is basically, there's this famous French chicken called poulet de Bresse that they don't import to the US. They want to keep it French. And so some local chefs and farmers got together back in the early 2000s. They're like, we're gonna try and raise a poulet de Bresse style chicken in California, and they called it Jidori. They tried to market it as the Kobe beef of chicken. And so it's still really good, but like it's not gonna blow your socks off, but it's still gonna be good chicken.
Well, if you cover it in sauce, it's gonna be great.
Bingo bango. So that's what we're doing. We're covering it in a bunch of Kendall Jenner. God, what the
I'm gonna make some lemon pepper over here.
It's exciting.
I have some smoked peppercorns. It smells really good. You wanna smell it?
Can I eat one?
Sure. It's very fragrant. I'm adding some yuzu here.
Tell them about yuzu. Yuzu is one of my favorite fruits.
Yuzu has a very distinct smell. It's kind of like a cross between a lemon and a lime.
I'm stoked. I love lemon pepper, but I think putting that little twist with Sancho pepper,
Yep.
That's a fun thing. Sancho has a little bit of that numbing quality that Sichuan does.
Yeah.
Here, put some of these in there.
You wanna try this one?
Yeah, let me eat all the spices.
This one smells really good.
I think I have a problem. Damn, Sancho pepper is like hefty, not wimpy. I'm taking this Colima salt. This is Mexican sea salt, or sal marina, as it says right on the box right there. My mouth is tingling from all the
Yeah,
spices.
I know.
ate,
Mine
though.
is
Yours
like, yeah.
That's hefty.
It's doing a thing.
Would you peg me as a kid who grew up with a lot of friends, or not that many friends?
Not that many.
Yeah, well. We're wet brining this chicken. We're gonna yogurt brine it. I'm adding some of this delightful Hungarian paprika. You know it's fancy because it's in a sack to continue the thread from earlier. Dump that in there. Now I gotta eat it.
You gotta try it.
Yeah.
Is this one the...
Dude, I have no idea what's going on in my mouth, but it's fun. Someone explain to me what the hell this is, because I reluctantly approve. We were talking about this yesterday, and I was like, I don't understand what it is. I hate it. I hate that we're using it. And Nicole's like, we can get something else. And I was like, no, use it, because I'm gonna make you explain it on camera.
It's a great probiotic coconut yogurt, and it's good for the woman's hoo-ha.
The what? I'm sorry, the what?
The woman's hoo-ha.
The woman's
It
hoo-ha.
balances the
How's it
pH.
good? You put it on the hoo-ha?
No, you eat it, and it balances the pH level.
Like when you clean a pool? All right, so we're gonna take some of this yogurt and I'm gonna add it. I don't. Yeah, I tried it yesterday. It's so chunky.
Your hoo-ha's clean now.
Men can have a hoo-ha too, okay? And then we're adding some of Steve-O's hot sauce. I have no idea what this tastes like. It's good, Lily.
Okay.
It's got
Why
like.
are you just barehanding it?
I don't know, dude. I lost the spoons. I can't see anymore. I don't know when that happened. Oh, that's just a really good hot sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, you should probably get that out of your hand. Yeah, you should probably like wash your. Okay, yeah, that's cool. All right, so we're gonna get a lot of that in there. This does have boot jolokia in it, which is the ghost pepper, and a lot of habanero. And so we're just gonna toss this together. I think the probiotics are really going to help that chicken sort of break down the way that like buttermilk would, right?
Definitely. There's still hot sauce on me. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
God, oh, I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna get a rash. I'm gonna get a rash.
Adding some yellow mustard powder, some sweet paprika, some MSG, some onion powder, and
Hey,
some
is it bad to wash your
garlic
hands with this?
powder.
Because I've been washing my hands with this for the last 3 years.
No, I think it's fine.
But every time I do, they're like, this is for dishes.
No, it cleans animals.
What? So we have the chicken. Lee, do you want to get that dredged in the flour right now?
Yeah.
We're doing a double flour dredge. This is typically how most American fried chicken is done. And so we really want to pound the flour in there to make sure that it like kind of sticks and absorbs that yogurt.
Yes.
And then we're gonna add some tequila to that to create that craggy effect. And we're going a pure duck egg white dredge because duck egg whites have more protein in it than chicken. And to me, the protein is what truly makes the chicken crispy. Feels nearly sorry. You ever just eat duck eggs?
Nope.
What about ostrich?
I mean, those things are huge.
Yeah, and sometimes they think that you're trying to steal their women. There we go. And you want to go in there and mix that up with your hands? So what we're doing right here, this is a common technique. David Chang is the one who put me onto it. Not like, we're not friends, like he said it in a show and I watched it. But anyways, you basically add some sort of liquid to the flour for the second dredge on it, because then you get these kind of like chunky flour nuggets. Oh. But okay, don't, Lily. Oh my God, have some sort of self-respect. And that's
I
coming
don't
from
have
me.
any self-respect.
That's coming from me. That's
I'm a piece
sad.
of trash.
Do you think there's a cooking channel that's like filled with more dirtbags than us?
No.
Taylor laughed. Taylor, do you know someone?
Chickens are done.
Okay. Drop in the fryer?
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, we're gonna wait like 3 minutes, pull it out, see what we got. All right, Lily, in 3, 2, move that chicken!
Woo!
Whatever happened to the families on Extreme Home Makeover Make Edition? Extreme Home Over Maker's Mark.
Excuse me?
Extreme Makeover Homer Simpson. That chicken looks great though.
It looks delicious.
Crispity, craggity, crunchity, peanut buttery, minus that last one. So we're gonna make one more sauce. We're doing a classic buffalo sauce, getting a lot of fresh chili, dried chili in there. And then we just gotta build our sandwiches.
Yum, I'm ready.
We have so many more dried things and little sauces to taste.
I know, my tummy hurts.
We ate a lot of raw powders. We're making the pickles right now. A lot of these modern chicken sandwiches, not like those old-timey chicken sandwiches, these modern chicken sandwiches, right? It's just pickle, it's bun, it's the chicken on there. To me, Popeye's really popular. So I know Chick-fil-A is the one that they were copying, but whatever, that's what kicked off the chicken sandwich wars. So we're making the pickles right now. We have some nice crinkle-cut English cucumbers, very fancy. Do your English accent for him.
I am English and I
Yeah.
drink tea.
Pretty good, that's what they say. We're gonna get, can you open that?
Oh, it's open.
Woo! Girl. Fennel pollen. Yeah, eat it. Yeah, we gotta eat it. Feel like a bee.
Yeah, I know.
So we're gonna add some fennel pollen. We're making a quick pickle brine right here. We're gonna take some white balsamic. White balsamic has enough sugar in it and acid to just like really act as a one-stop shop for all of that. And then we're gonna, ooh, that fennel pollen's good.
It's kind of like a little numbing. Maybe it's just residual, but
I don't know why our mouths are numb, but I don't think we should question it, man.
yeah.
Lily, so you have something to do. Can you massage the pickles?
You want to take them out of the jar?
Oh, no, you don't have to
Give
do
him
it.
a
I was just
blow.
trying to do, you don't have to do it. Okay, so we got fennel pollen. We have this Colima sea salt going in there. Quick pickle brine, not heat it too much. We got, dude, what is this, man? Oh, Jimmy Nardello peppers. Okay, yeah, eat these. These are fancy. These are, I don't know who Jimmy Nardello is, but it's just a dried, basically like a bell pepper.
Oh, it's not spicy. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
I'm scared.
We're all shell-shocked around here right now. Black mustard seed, very, very fragrant spice. That's something that you get in a lot of Indian pickles and
Let me
like an
try a
achar. Yeah, eat some mustard seeds. You don't even have to. You don't even
like
have to taste
prickles.
them. Just swallow them. Just. It's probably anti-inflammatory or pro-inflammatory.
I'm gonna
Dude,
grow like a mustard bottle in my stomach.
wild ramps? Hell yeah, man.
I like ramps. It's almost ramp season.
It's almost ramp
April.
season. Tell them about ramp season. Ramp season is like if you are the most insufferable foodie, level 95 is talking about ramp season.
Everyone's getting their ramps, all the restaurants. But
Wow.
it's like a cross between a garlic and an onion.
It's like a wild garlic scape or something like
Yeah.
that.
I'm just gonna keep massaging these. It's really wet on my
We got
hands right now.
Worcestershire sauce that's made by a company called Acid League, and it's got smoked malt, umeboshi, which is a preserved Japanese salted plum, and blood orange. This is the most little trinkety foods that we've ever had on a single episode of Fancy Fast Food. And I love that because I love little weird food trinkets. Ah! Ah!
Is it good?
It's great. Uh-oh, that's heat. That's a lot of hot.
That's nice.
That's a lot of hot. Well, I'm adding some of that there. So
I'm gonna stop massaging these
you can
cucumbers.
stop massaging the cukes. Yeah,
Only
yeah.
three
You
got
never really
some
need to do
love.
that. So we're making buffalo sauce right now. The only ingredients in buffalo sauce at the Anchor Bar in Buffalo, New York, where they're originally made, is what? Why are people laughing? Oh, that knife is rough. That knife is rough. It's seen some stuff. Anchor Bar, Buffalo, New York. The original ingredients, I believe, were onion powder, vinegar-based hot sauce, and butter. And so we're kind of making our own vinegar-based hot sauce here by adding a bunch of red wine vinegar and Worcestershire sauce, and we have this nice aged habanero vinegar. We gotta try this now. We gotta try the vinegars. Oh, that's lovely, man. Ooh, that is spicy. This is a 12-year aged habanero vinegar.
Is it the Fresno you just ate?
I have no idea what I'm tasting. That's good. This is just dehydrated Naga. This is the Naga Viper. At some point it was the world's hottest pepper. We're gonna dump some of that in there. The Fresno is actually really mild, which is great because it's gonna add some nice body to the sauce.
So we should use all of them? Do you want
probably.
seeds?
I say no seeds. Seeds are better. Dehydrated second hottest pepper in the world. That's good. You want some?
Is this one spicy?
Yeah. Second hottest pepper in the world. Did you miss that?
Oh, it's spicy.
Okay.
Ugh.
Okay.
Oh no.
I'm gonna pour the brine in. Watch out. Watch your butt. There we go. Pickles. Pickles.
Fresnos. My mouth is so numb.
This is something I've never had before. So this is a curd chili. So these are chilies that have been fermented in yogurt. It smells like fermented yogurt. It smells sweet.
Is it spicy? I keep
Oh, it's
asking.
salty. This is, what kind of chilies are these?
Are they gonna burn in a second? I'm scared.
It makes my tongue swell. I think I'm
numb.
allergic to at least one of these chilies. All right, I'm gonna put some water in there. Where's my Diet Coke?
I like it.
I got. Hold
What
on.
happened? Is it this?
We got. Dude, were you watching? Crank it. Just crank it on high. Just flip it. I can hear my teeth. Where's the butter?
We're gonna add it later.
Fudge, that's gonna burn everybody. I'm so sorry. Lily,
Oh, I'm gonna start coughing.
Tell them fun facts about chicken sandwiches.
Chicken sandwiches are fun to eat, and I like to eat the chicken sandwiches. That is not a fact.
Okay. Golly, we got our sauces, which is good, and we have chicken. That's what I know to be true. The buns are done, and the pickles, and then please like and subscribe. Lily, we have broken God's design, all the divine numbers, the Fibonacci sequences that we see. The curse of the bad chicken sandwich is finally done because we have this double dredged mango habanero Kendall Jenner ass tequila on Kummelveck bun with the black mustard pickles. We got our Sancho yuzu zest lemon pepper. We got the fermented yogurt chili Fresno dried Naga Viper chili buffalo sauce. I think this is gonna be the best chicken sandwich we've ever had. But
Yeah.
first we gotta re-eat some Wingstop Sammys to compare them, see how they hold up.
What flavor do you have?
I got the mango habanero, which it's like, you know, looks a little bit different. I think ours got more of a mango
This
color
one
to
is
it.
like a deep flaming hot red.
Deep red right there. Cheers.
Cheers.
I had to wrestle with mine a little bit.
Good chicken sandwich.
They do good work at Wingstop. Show love to your local Wingstop. Let's get into these though. Which one do you want to try first?
The mango.
All right. Oh, that Kummerveck bun, dude. Yes, ma'am.
Wow. This looks so good.
This is
so juicy.
Oh, okay. Are we just going in?
Yeah, we're going
It's
in.
gonna be hot too.
This is a good mother.
A good mother sandwich, Lily. The caraway on the bun is so funky. You taste the tequila in there, which is really good. The thing that gets me, dude, I was talking smack on the hoo-ha yogurt the whole time.
The hoo-ha.
The hoo-ha, you taste the hoo-ha.
You taste the hoo-ha.
Lemon pepper? Oh, I don't know.
Lemon pepper is my favorite dry rub.
I'm just gonna go for the butt. Taste the hoo-ha, eat the butt. God dang it. You taste the sancho. We brush it down with some butter and lemon juice.
I feel like because we brine the chicken, you have to like make sure the chicken is super moist when you do a dry rub.
100%.
It's really good.
Mango habanero is still my favorite, but I'm in heaven. But can we get extra buffalo sauce? Wait, I'm gonna do this. We're going a long ways on this
Oh
one.
my god.
All right, where's buffalo sauce? After that. Yep. Ooh, that's the chicken.
This is really good.
I'd say that we try and cook things as good as we can all the time, but sometimes we don't. If we're being honest, right? We do things with the guy. We do things that are interesting in lieu of them being good sometimes. This, we put our whole chef-ussies into this, and this is unreal good, man.
How much did this cost?
I'm gonna throw up $314.15 for all, oh God, for all three of them though. So that's a bargain. That's only it's only $104.71 per. I mean, truly, this is one of the best things I've ever eaten. Lily, thank you so much for eating all the things, putting them in your mouth, for teaching me what the hoo-ha means. And thank you all so much for stopping by the Mythical Kitchen. We got new episodes out all the time. You're gonna stay here
Yeah, I'm staying.
for a while?
I hope so.
Don't
Please
leave
don't
us.
fire me.
No,
Okay.
I'm worried about you leaving me. This is the
Yeah.
abandonment complex. You know what I mean? Anyways, we'll see you next time.
A new mythical kitchen creature approaches. The pizza cock is here and available on a brand new apron. Come face to face with the mythical kitchen pizza cock apron now at mythical.com.